Hey everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to be planning the week of March 2nd, which is nuts. To be honest, I haven't finished filling out the previous week. I've definitely added to it compared to what it was, like on film, but it's not done. So I will need to do that at another time, and then maybe I'll show you again, but I don't know. I'm behind in literally everything. So today is Tuesday, Wednesday. It's like midnight Wednesday morning, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. I came home on Tuesday night and fell asleep from 6 to 9, so now I'm up and we're gonna film. So here we are. So I apologize if there's a lot of glare because I'm using all indoor lights. So that's that. Okay, I am using, I have a full box sheet from Harriet Wright Designs and then a kit from Danny Faith Designs. This page, like I've already moved the boxes around. So like this box right here and this one right here, these two were from Harriet Wright. And then I swapped in this one and this one. I think it was these two. Yeah. From, the Danny Faith Designs sheet. So they were similar. I don't know how to show you, similar artwork, well, same artwork, but done in, similar ways. And I just pulled out the ones that I thought would go really, really well together. And, like, I love these other boxes too. But like, I didn't want the super wintry one because it's actually going to be fairly warm here this week. So I had pre-planned this as like, oh, it's like coming into spring, but it's still going to be cold. Well, yeah. So I don't know. Hopefully it'll be more springy. And then I've already put foil overlays on. So I have like the twinkle. I just did like a corner, the bow, the box, confetti, and then more of that like string light stuff, this like swirly, which lined up perfectly because it's coming out of the star. Amazing. And then this like little confetti drop down bow at the top here. And then I didn't foil any of these because I'm not going to use any of those. And then the rest of the Danny Faith Design kit has half boxes and quarter boxes, little things and headers. This functional page, the full heart checklist, which I'm not going to use. This was the bottom washi overlay that I used. So the bottom washi and the washi strips. It's really nice to put the foil on ahead of time, not gonna lie. And then I pulled out, I have these headers from Harriet Wright Designs. I have the pink ones, these blue bows. I have these blue date covers, which I already put numbers on. I have these bow overlays, this like light blue and gold box. I have some half cut headers. I don't know. I can use this as a washi strip background. We're just gonna get started. So I'm gonna fast forward as I do most of this, and then I'll be back to talk through the week. All right, you guys, I think I am done with what I know so far for the week. Again, it's like Wednesday morning, midnight-ish time. I guess it's almost 1 now. So I have vitamins and skincare, and then I think I'm also going to do another habit. I'm not sure which one yet because I did mark, well, I might do reading. I guess I didn't mark reading. I'll probably do reading here, and then I have my dinner and my YouTube schedule. And then here, I realized on Monday when a bunch of my bills didn't come out, my credit card expired, or like the debit card expired in March, so I had already gotten a new one, but I forgot to update all of the information. So this is just going to be a giant list of all the places I had to update information for. And then I got Happy Mail, and this was for learning my lesson for what I was teaching on Tuesday. I forget if I was going to put books or something. I forgot. I'll have to get an icon for that. But that was for this. I spent most of Monday night learning about the nervous system. And then today I had a meeting, which I thought was on Thursday, and the lady came and got me during class, and she was like, "Didn't you get a sub?" And I was like, "I got one for Thursday. Oh my gosh, I messed up." So I messed up the 5th of March with 5th period on the 3rd. So anyways, it turned out fine. I felt like an idiot. And then I got some blood work back from when I was at the doctor 2 weeks ago, I think. And that came back basically all normal. So that was exciting news there. And then this is going to be like grading, scheduling Pilates, paying a medical bill. So just some random to-dos. And then this one is for napping. One is for subbing. I had a teacher had an emergency and had to leave or didn't come in or something, so I had to sub during my plan period this day. So that was really fun that I had a meeting, that I was gone from class and I didn't get a plan period. It was a chaotic day. Tomorrow morning or today morning in like 6 hours, I have a meeting. I have my Hungry Root bill so that I can get a delivery next week. And then this is for, I'm going to book a massage, hopefully for my week of spring break. Hopefully I'll do some laundry tomorrow since I didn't do it tonight because I napped for like 3.5 hours tonight. Whoops. And then the Pilates, didn't think I was going to get in because yesterday when I looked there was a wait list, and today it was open, so I booked for Pilates for tomorrow. And then Thursday I put planning time. I don't really know a lot else. I might read in here, like read this day. I don't know. I'm not sure. It'll depend how tired I am. Maybe I'll do some grading or something. And then I put film edit upload across the top. I will clean some stuff on Friday night, so I'll just make a list of what I want to clean that night. I did some cleaning tonight too, but you know. And then I have Pilates Friday night. I will do like sheets and towels and that kind of laundry on Saturday. And then my friend's birthday is on Sunday, and I will pack lunches for the following week. And then I have work. Oh my gosh, this page is like so thick with the sticker and the foil overlay. But yes, so I have to work this week, the week of the 9th, and then this following week, the week of the 16th, is my spring break. And I also am getting an echocardiogram, and then my mom is coming in town to visit. So almost spring break, but we gotta make it a little longer. So I think instead of filming at the end of the week and updating you, I think I'm just gonna show you the previous week. And again, next week I'll show you this one too, since I didn't finish that one yet. I really like during the week, I use this as like a look ahead and for my sidebar. And then I use my daily petite planner like day to day. So when I film this week of the 9th, I'll show you guys this spread all filled out, as long as I can keep track of things. But again, the kit was from Danny Faith Designs, and then I used full boxes also from Harriet Wright Designs. Overlays, foil, all the things. If you ever want to know where something is from, just ask down below. I'm happy to tell you guys, but I'm focusing a little less this year on telling you where every sticker is from, because I have a collection of things that you guys see over and over again, so I feel like it's really redundant. I use Rose Color Days foil constantly. I use My Newest Addiction constantly. And then some of the other things I just sort of hold up on camera. Like I tried to show you the Sadie Stickers date covers. But again, if you ever want to know where something is from, please don't hesitate to ask, and I'm happy to tell you. So yeah, that's everything for this week. I hope you guys will consider subscribing. Let me know if you want to see these videos in a different way at all, and I am happy to change it up. I just need to, like, I can't do a complete rewind because, again, I do use my sidebar as the week is going, and I really like that, so I can't do the whole thing as a rewind, like, after the fact, but I don't know, my weeks aren't that exciting anyways, so I feel like you're not really missing out. Okay, that's it. Like I said, hopefully you'll subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. I'm still trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers, hopefully by my YouTube anniversary, but that seems far-fetched because that's next month. But, you know, the sooner the better, because that's my goal. All right, I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a great week. I hope you're already having a great week, and let me know your thoughts down below. Have a great one. Bye.